Hello and welcome. Today we find the largest flooded gum tree base I've ever seen. And just wait, later we'll hear the disturbing and eerie childlike scream sounds of the catbird as we are traversing through the tranquil subtropical rainforest of the Ulidarra National Park just west of Coffs Harbour in northern New South Wales. Thanks for joining us. Let's get into it. Ulidarra National Park. Heading up End Peak Track. That's as good as the guiding gets. And I don't even know if that's the right track. It is. Not entirely 100%. Like all of our videos, find details of maps, park information, flood, fire reports, and you can click on my detailed kit of professional photographic equipment I use for these travel videos if you're interested. While you're there, like and subscribe to catch all of our new releases around special places, hiking trails, and photographic video techniques and equipment you can use. Really dark. So just trying to look for, things that are interesting, like going through, so framing it and looking through it as well. Something else, so I'm just gonna get my focus to shift into the middle. So now I've just got those in the background there. Lovely. Nice textures and things. Amazing tree, isn't it? Looks like a hair piece or something. Yeah. We got this. We're seasoned professional hikers now. Oh, Em, have a look at this. Holy doolies, can you go up to it? Have a look at the size of this tree. Wow. Wow. Holy. That is insane. Broken off. Wow. It is huge. Unbelievable size. Oh. Pure bag and grey card. So you're meant to keep referencing it. Helps with your colour. If it's too hot for the beach, the shady forests of the Ulidarra National Park are a great alternative. The beautiful palm-fringed rainforests and majestic old eucalypt trees also provide a stunning backdrop for a hike. This day we went was the really hot first day of late November, when the mercury went above 40 degrees in most places. Fortunately, we started in early morning to avoid the heat of the day, but the shade of the forest was an absolute delight. The Ulidarra National Park has a vast network of management trails and walking tracks for bushwalking and mountain biking, fantastic four-wheel drive trails to explore, and an abundance of off-the-beaten-track places for a picnic. We start from Swan River entrance to the park, walking through Vincents Track, and look out for the sign on this old large gum tree, Vincents Tree, on Bruxner Road, close to the Swan Road. We accidentally came across it while walking down via the road from Sealy Lookout. The first walking trails and picnic areas were built in the late 1950s, and in 1961 a large flooded gum tree, believed to be approximately 500 years old and still standing today, was named the Vincent Tree in recognition of Ray Vincent's role in the establishment of the park. At a previous height of 65 metres, it's now has broken off, and a breast height of 2.27 metres. The Vincent Tree was one of the biggest trees in New South Wales. It's looking a bit overgrown, but we head over that way. We got this. I would like to pay my respect to the Gumbaynggirr people where this filming takes place today. The Bruxner Park Flora Reserve region has always been an important place for the Gumbaynggirr people, the traditional custodians of this land, and still holds significance as a place that connects them with their Dreamtime stories. It is part of a larger men's area and traditionally was used for hunting and gathering of bush foods and medicines. The creation stories of the Gumbaynggirr people incorporate these lands, and it's also been used for initiation and ceremonies and holds several recorded Aboriginal sites. The Bruxner Park Flora Reserve region was also known as a travel route for the Gumbaynggirr people to and from the coastline of Coffs Harbour region and through the escarpment of the Orara Valley. From early settlement days, the Bruxner Park area was used as an area of recreation for local residents who went on picnics and walks in the rainforest, and by the 1930s the local community became concerned that logging industry would destroy the rainforest and began lobbying the government. In 1933, the local member Ray Vincent, who was also the Minister of Forests, directed that a suitable area be reserved for Bruxner Park, named after the Deputy Prime Minister of New South Wales at the time. And in 1936, 57 hectares was transformed from the Orara State Forest, and it was finally declared a Flora Reserve in 1958. So it's a cat bird that sort of sounds like a screeching child.
Especially at night here and So, do you want to go to the bottom version then on? Yeah. Decision.
I didn't even know that was connecting to that, but yeah. As we make our way to the cross junction in part 2, see us climb the steep midway track and then onto the end track and make our way towards the panoramic Sealy's Lookout and Forest Sky Pier. Hope to see you in part 2. marked. If you were coming from this direction, you'd go up there, but maybe that's where we're meant to go.